Today we are in Pasco, which is one of the cities that make up our hometown of Tri-Cities, Washington. We are going to the Pasco Farmers Market, and we're also going to look for a like colored wall where I can take a 4th of July type photo. They have a lot of colorful walls here in Pasco, a lot of like Mexican restaurants, Mexican shops and stuff like that, so you can usually find very colorful buildings. So that's what we're going to try to look for and check out the farmers market. Okay, so we just got back. We ended up going to this really cute store called Market North, and I got a few things which I wanted to show you guys. And then we stopped for a quick sandwich and ended up taking my little 4th of July photos in downtown Kennewick because we didn't really see any colorful walls that were in like the right lighting because of the sun so in Pasco. So we ended up just going down from Kennewick instead and finding something there, which was awesome. So I wanted to show you guys what I got really quickly. Market North, they are actually closing through July and August. They'll be opening back up in September, so we literally made it just on time, like for their last weekend before they close. So they were actually having like a really big sale store-wide. You guys might hear Indio panting in the background. He's just down here. So, hey Indio. Oh, there's his little face. So let me show you guys what I picked out. Okay, so I got this amazing like faux banana leaf. It's huge. It has like this huge stem. And then it has like this kind of like raffia woven around it. I think it's like a bamboo stick with raffia or something, seagrass raffia, something like that, woven all around it. So I thought that that was super, super cool. I love this kind of thing for wall art. Wow, Indio, you were being so noisy. So this was $33.95 normally, but it was on sale for 50% off. So it was like a little bit more, around 17 or 18. So I thought that was such a cool find and definitely a steal on sale. And then I also got this palm fan, dried palm leaf, which was normally $11, but I got it for like $5.50, almost $6 basically on sale. So I have a few of these. This is actually like a really big shape, much bigger than the one that I have actually. So this would be great for like wall art as well, or in like a really big vase, something like that. So I just thought at $5, especially for one this size and this good of quality, that it was a great deal. But oh my gosh, there were so many things I wanted there. There's a local maker who, like ceramic maker, who has the cutest mugs. I really wanted to get those, and they were 25% off, but I ended up holding off on those, so I guess I'll have to wait until September to go back and do more shopping. They also had tons of cute like baby clothing, just really adorable stuff. So if you guys live in the Tri-Cities Metro, I definitely recommend checking out Market North, which is in like the Pasco area. Hey guys, so it is now about 4 days later. The 4th of July was yesterday, and today has been a busy day actually. Skylar and I got up early to go and shoot at 2 different locations in our hometown of Tri-Cities, Washington for a campaign. And now I am actually going to do a little bit of a DIY with these rocks that I picked up from Michael's, which is like a craft store, a month ago or something. It's been quite a while. I'm just now getting around to it. I'm also going to try to film a version for my TikTok reels as well. So I thought that I would just do a little bit of vlogging and end the video because I needed a little bit more footage. So what I'm going to do is basically spread these rocks on top of my plants, like on top of the soil. I think that'll just look a lot cuter. I've never actually done this before, but this cacti here on my dresser actually has rocks in it, and I think it looks really good. So I thought that I would just pick up these kind of neutral colored rocks to add to the top of all of my other plants. So I'll show you guys what that ends up looking like. I also wanted to show you guys how I styled those home decor pieces from Market North. I hung the wall hanging up here in this corner, and then I placed the palm fan in this dried floral arrangement. You guys may recognize this from our bridal shoot. I styled them in our bedroom. So I just placed it in this arrangement for now. I don't have a ton of other spots in my bedroom to display this palm fan, but I think that it actually looks really good in this arrangement, and I'm planning on using both of these things at some point as like photo props or something for like a photo shoot. I feel like those would make great boho props. So here is my snake plant with just the soil, as you guys can see. So I'm hoping that adding these really pretty kind of like gold and neutral rocks will make those look prettier. I've got quite a few plants to add this to. I think I have about 6 maybe, so I'm hoping that I have enough rocks to do all of them. Okay, so I didn't quite have enough to do all of the plants in our room, so I'll definitely have to go and get another. I probably paid like around $5 or $6 for that container, so pretty cheap, and I feel like it definitely makes the plants look so much cuter, and it really fits with the aesthetic and the color tones in my room so much better than just like the regular soil in the pots. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys are not subscribed to my channel yet, please be sure to subscribe and maybe share with a friend or family member that you think would enjoy my channel as well. That way you guys can help me grow on here. Don't forget to check me out on all socials at The Urban Darling and my blog, theurbandarling.com, for more lifestyle content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next vlogs. Bye!